Hello, my name is Laura String, and my research group examined the relationship between virtual interaction and well-being. We decided to use two hypotheses. The first being that as social virtual interaction increased, there would be an associated increase in well-being, and the second was that as academic virtual interaction increased, there would be an associated decrease in well-being. Previous studies had stated that social media may be used as an effective coping mechanism, so we wanted to look at the actual interaction side of that. Participants were recruited using the UMW Psychology Participant Pool, and we ended up with 47 participants with an average age of 19. Participants then completed an online survey of 3 measures of well-being: the Generalized Anxiety Disorder Scale, the Patient Health Questionnaire, and the Personal Well-Being Scale. All 3 use a 4-point Likert scale, with the Generalized Anxiety Disorder Scale focusing on anxiety, the Patient Health Questionnaire focusing on depression, and the Personal Well-Being Scale focusing on overall well-being. We used a modified version of the Social Networking Usage Questionnaire in order to properly examine both virtual and academic interactions. We ran a bivariate correlation, and our results did not support either of our hypotheses. Our correlations among social virtual interactions and all 3 measures of well-being suggested that there was no association of any of those variables. Our correlations among academic virtual interactions and our 3 measures of well-being were also not significant, but they did lean in the direction of our prediction. As academic virtual interactions increased, depression, anxiety, and personal well-being all decreased. But again, this was not significant. It was also worth noting that personal well-being and depression and anxiety were positively correlated. This could mean that there was a problem with the overall measure of well-being. Overall, we did not support either of our hypotheses. This could be because of many different reasons, such as a small sample size, and lack of construct validity involving the personal well-being scale. We also had a very homogeneous sample that included mainly white female college freshman students. In the future, we would suggest that a larger, more diverse sample be used and a different measure of well-being in order to properly assess virtual interactions and well-being.